Wildfires are no joke, and if you're a homeowner, you know just how quickly a brush fire can turn your dream home into a danger zone. But here's the thing, you're not powerless. I want to show you how a handful of simple changes can boost your property's fire resistance and help you snag a discount on your insurance. Pretty sweet, right? Let's start with the basics. First, clean out those gutters. Pine needles and leaves, they are wildfire fuel just waiting to catch. Then, upgrade to ember-resistant gutter guards and vents. Brands like Vulcan vents are designed to keep those sneaky embers from getting inside your attic or crawl space. Next, clear out vegetation and debris at least 30 feet from your home. Think of it as creating a safety buffer. Use pea gravel or crushed granite instead of bark mulch around your house. And if you're doing renovations, pick fire-resistant materials whenever possible. Got a bigger property? Water tanks and temporary sprinkler systems can make a real difference. And for those in wildfire-prone communities, look into early warning detection systems. They can buy you precious time. Now, about those insurance discounts. Some companies, like Cincinnati, Nationwide, Safeco and Travelers offer wildfire defense programs. If you commit to their prevention guidelines, you could save serious cash on your policy. Just ask your RightSure agent about what's available in your area. Need more info? Check out FEMA's guides, wildfirerisk.org for community resources, or readyforwildfire.org for practical tips on building defensible space. Bottom line, a few smart moves can make your property safer and your insurance cheaper. And if you're unsure where to start, reach out to a famously friendly human at RightSure, North America's most awarded insurance firm. Take action now, and let's keep your home safe, secure, and most importantly, standing strong.